Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry at home without onion and garlic. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your workspace for an enjoyable cooking experience. We'll focus on building a robust flavor profile using aromatic spices and fresh produce, ensuring your curry is incredibly delicious. This approach is fantastic for anyone avoiding alliums, proving you don't need them for a truly satisfying meal. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a fragrant haven. To build a fantastic flavor base without onion and garlic, we'll rely heavily on fresh ginger and green chilies, finely minced. These provide a wonderful warmth and subtle heat. Next, introduce a good quality tomato puree or creamy coconut milk to create body and richness. Don't forget your essential ground spices. A generous teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of coriander, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric will form the aromatic heart of your curry. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Then add your minced ginger and green chilies, sautéing for about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, stir in your ground spices, cooking for just 30 seconds to bloom their flavors. Now, pour in your tomato puree or coconut milk, bringing it to a gentle simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until the sauce thickens beautifully. Finally, add your chosen protein or vegetables, cooking until they are perfectly tender. Before serving, taste your curry and adjust the seasoning with salt to your preference. A small pinch of sugar can balance the flavors beautifully. For a fresh finish, stir in some chopped fresh cilantro or a squeeze of bright lime juice. Your delicious homemade curry is now ready. Serve it piping hot alongside fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread. Enjoy this incredibly flavorful and aromatic meal, proving you can create amazing curry without onion and garlic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.